In front of me is VIVO X80 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. Begin by downloading your new defaults. When you're ready, go into Devices Settings. In them, scroll down to Access Apps. Scroll down again and click on Default Apps. Then tap on one of those options that you wish to manage. And to switch your current app, tap on your new downloaded one. So when I do that and go back, I can see that my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!